poo-poo and I get 2 candies.
Good job. Mama's so proud of you. Mama's so proud of you. Are you so proud of you? Yeah, you finally poo-pooed in a potty.
I pooped in the potty. Oh.
What happens next time you poo-poo in the potty?
Get more candies.
How many?
2.
2 more candies. Yeah.
2 more candies.
You're so cute. Are you the smartest guy? You are.
What
Are you cute?
Mm-hmm.
You are.
What they are.
Right there?
I got 1. And I got 3.
1 and 3. Count them again.